In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on MetaTrader 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a sell trade, set your key parameters, monitor it, and close it with confidence. First, open the order window. The quickest way is to press F9 on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, head to the Market Watch panel. Find the currency pair you want to trade, right-click it, and select New Order. This brings up the order ticket where you'll set everything before placing your trade. Make sure you're logged into your trading account and that prices are updating in real time so you know you're placing the order at a live market price. In the order ticket, check the symbol field to confirm the pair you want to trade, like EUR/USD. Next, choose your volume. This is your lot size and directly controls your risk and potential profit or loss per pip. For example, a smaller lot size reduces exposure and can be a good choice when you're getting familiar with the process. Stop loss and take profit are optional here, but highly recommended. For a sell trade, a stop loss is typically set above the current price to limit risk if the market moves against you, and a take profit is usually set below the current price to automatically capture gains. You can type specific prices or use the arrows to nudge them into place. Take a quick look at the spread as well. Wider spreads can affect your entry and early profit and loss. When everything looks correct, click Sell by Market. This immediately opens a short position, which means you'll profit if the price goes down. If it's your first time, you may see a confirmation prompt. Once the trade is live, the platform will display the ticket number, entry price, and any stop or target you set. To monitor the trade, press Ctrl+T to open the terminal and switch to the Trade tab. Here, you'll see your open position, including symbol, lot size, entry price, current price, and your floating profit or loss. Keep an eye on equity and margin if you're running multiple positions. And remember that profit and loss will fluctuate with each tick as the price moves. When you're ready to close the sell trade, go to the Trade tab and click the small X next to the position. You can also right-click the position and choose Close Order. Confirm the close, and your profit or loss will be realized and reflected in your account history. That's it. Open the order window, set your details, execute the sell, monitor, and close when you're done.